Don't see emojis on your keyboard? No worries. With just a few simple steps, you can easily turn them back on and add the emoji keyboard to your iPhone. In this video, I'll show you exactly where to find this option and how to enable it, so you can express every emotion, from laughter to love. But before we get started, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you'll always be updated when I post new tutorials. So, first, open Settings. Once you're in Settings, scroll down a bit and find the General section, then tap on it. Inside General, scroll down again and find Keyboard, then tap on it. When you're in the Keyboard section, at the very top of the page, you'll see an option called Keyboards. Tap on it. Here you'll see a list of all the keyboards currently added to your iPhone. For example, it might say English or another language you use. To add the emoji keyboard, tap on Add New Keyboard. Then find and select emoji from the list, or to find it quickly, tap on the search bar, type emoji, and select it from the search results. Now you can open any app, such as Messages or Notes, and you'll see a smiley face icon in the bottom left corner of your keyboard. Tap it and start choosing any emojis you want to use. And that's it. If this video was helpful, leave a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel, Smart Assistant. Thanks so much for watching, and see you soon.